In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a trailing stop on Tradovate. By the end, you'll know two clean ways to do it: manually from the order ticket or Super DOM, and automatically with an ATM strategy. First, let's quickly clarify what a trailing stop is. A trailing stop is a stop order that moves with the market when price goes in your favor and locks in gains, but it holds its ground when price moves against you. It's designed to help protect profits without you having to constantly adjust stops by hand. If you prefer manual control, start in the trading module or the Super DOM. Open your order ticket and look for the order type dropdown. From there, choose trailing stop, market, if you want your stop to execute at the market as soon as it's triggered. This is generally the most reliable for getting filled in fast conditions. Or choose trailing stop limit if you want control over the worst acceptable fill price. Just remember that limit stops can miss fills in fast or thin markets. Next, enter your trigger offset. This is the distance the price must move in your favor before the stop starts trailing behind the market. Think of it as the tripwire that activates the trailing behavior. For example, if you set a 10-tick trigger offset, the market needs to move 10 ticks your way before the stop begins to follow. Once you've set the offset, submit the order. From that point, the platform will move the stop with the market as it advances, but it won't move the stop back down if the market reverses. If you'd rather have your trailing stop attached automatically every time you place a trade, use an ATM strategy. Click the cogwheel next to the ATM dropdown to create or edit a strategy. In that strategy window, set your stop-loss parameters so your initial protection is in place the moment your order is filled. Then enable Auto Trail. With Auto Trail on, the stop will move automatically behind price according to the rules you've defined, so you get consistent, hands-off management across all your entries. A few tips as you set this up. Make sure you know whether your market measures distance in ticks or points, and size your offsets to match current volatility so your stop isn't too tight or too loose. Consider testing your settings in a simulated environment first to confirm they behave the way you expect. That's it. You can manage a trailing stop manually through the order ticket or Super DOM, or automate it with an ATM strategy and Auto Trail.